Hey guys, how's it going? So, quick video for you. We deployed this new feature yesterday. I just love it. Love. This is the spot line here. This is basically the spot price. This moves smoothly up and down, and the futures market over here faithfully follows this spot line. But that's not all. We've also got this depth of market thing in here, so you can visually see just what kind of bids and offers we've got. But that's not all. So, look, I submit a bid here. So I'm trying to buy 25,000 contracts at 71.35. Well, I've joined the back of this big one, so let me cancel that and just buy it at the offer. Look what happens. Buy it. Boom. We got these other new lines here. So I've got the entry line here, and I've got my liquidation line here because I'm at 100x leverage. So now, and I've also got this green indicator on here where I'm long from. So very visual. I've got the spot price here. I know exactly where my entry is in relation to that spot. I know exactly where my liquidation point is. As I move the ladder, those obviously move. Hopefully now we get the price moving up a bit or moving down a bit, and you can see how this spot line moves and how clear it is. Of course, the thing ain't moving at all now. So let me just sell this here. As you'll see, oh look, so the spot's moving up. I know the spot's moving up. I'm here from 71.40, so I know that I'm likely to start getting filled. You know, if this keeps going up, obviously I'm going to get filled here. It's just a very visual indicator of what's going on. I absolutely love it. It just makes it so obvious what's going on there. I know I'm filled because boom, those numbers, those lines disappeared. There's a line there, there was a line there, it just disappeared. Very visual, very obvious what's just happened. Let's just try that again. Let's put in a bid here at 71.40. I'll know when I'm filled because those lines will just appear. It's like you can't miss it. I absolutely love it. So come on, let's hopefully get filled here so it's not too long a video. Come on, chop now, chop. Chop now. Let's put a offer here. So hopefully we get something. So I'm bidding at 71.40, offering at 71.45. Let's see what happens when I get filled. There you can see the spot line was moving up, and boom, I got filled on the offer there. I mean, it's so obvious, right? Here I know I'm short from 71.45. I know exactly where my liquidation point is, and I know as the spot price moves, I know, you know, what exactly where my position is in relation to that spot price, my entry price. So let's see if this one gets filled. You can see the spot price is moving down now from my entry price, which is good. That would show that I would get filled, and sure enough, here I'm getting it filled. I want this spot price to move a bit further down from my entry price, and I know I'm going to get filled. So anyway, there I am getting filled, getting most of it. If I get all of that, then these lines would disappear. But now, there you go, they've disappeared. Ain't it beautiful? This depth chart here just shows, you know, how the bids and offers are in relation to each other size-wise. But these lines, I absolutely love them. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you that. New UI that we're building is in full force. It's looking just totally sick. This, you know, I like this UI that we've got right now, but you know, this is the test net. This is our test ground for, you know, trying new stuff. The new UI that we've got, oh my God. Anyway, that's all I'm saying, and I'll see you soon. Cheers, guys.